So today we're gonna cook roasted turkey. Today I'm using just the turkey breast, the netted one, but the procedure could be the same for a whole turkey, right? We're gonna wash the turkey breast first. I like to wash with some lime juice and a little bit of salt. The reason for adding the salt is the salt it goes into the turkey breast and it stays there. It adds that little extra flavor to the turkey when you're gonna actually add all the rest of seasonings. So you add the salt and the lime juice and water, let it soak a little bit, add enough water to kind of cover the turkey. Let it soak for about 5 minutes and then we rinse under running water and then we bring back and then we add all our other seasonings. Right, so now that our turkey breast is washed, we're going to season up, allow to marinate for about 4 hours or overnight, either one, and then we can bake after, right? But we have to allow that marinating time and then we bake. So we're going to season, we're going to start with a little vegetable oil first, to kind of hold the ingredients to the turkey, black pepper, some chive, pimento, Chadon Beni, some thyme, salt, and some garlic. Mix around. Try to get some of these seasonings under the netting and in the turkey itself. Place across a sheet. Get all this green seasoning out here. Don't waste it. Cover with foil, and then we can place it in the refrigerator to marinate, and then we bake.